Now we're going to change the spark plug. There's two of them, one on this side right here and one on the other side. Now these are an NGK plug. They're gapped to 30 thousandths. And they are BPR 4ES for those out there that like numbers. I'm just going to put this up on top. It's already been gapped. We take our cover off the plug. Right? And we're going to take the plug out. That was not in there very tight. Looked like the same exact plug was in here. And that's what she looks like. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's what it is. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, Charlie. Now this is a 13/16 socket. 13/16. I'm just going to seat it with my fingers, finger tight, and then I'm going to put the wrench on it and crush the crush washer, the seal. All right. You can actually feel that engaging. That should be good enough. And we'll put our boot back on it. All right, right like that. I'm going to repeat the same thing here. Hopefully I don't block your view too much. I can have a tendency to do that. And we're going to take the boot off. That was easy. Crack this loose. Even easier. Spin it out by hand. This one looks about the same as the other one did. About the same. But we'll change it. There we go. Put the socket on it and hand tighten it. until it bottoms out. Which is there. We'll put the wrench on it and tighten it until it crushes the gasket. And you can feel it right there. That's where it's tight. That's it. Let's put our boot back on it. And that's a spark plug change and a John Deere X320 lawn tractor. And thanks for watching.